Okay, our next team up is a local team, Team Jack 85. Siobhan Payne, Eliz Payne, Tosh Barry, Ciarán Clusker, Whyte, Cramer, Larkin, Johnathon Nagle and Stephen Whyte. Who's the spokesperson?
So we have Team Jack here, Team Jack #85, and the reason we're here today is for our teammate Philip. We have 9 people on this team. Philip is here with us today, and he's going to be behind us every step of the way. Everything we do, we're doing it for Philip. All our fundraising was for Philip. We have a live page, GoFundMe. Please go onto our page, Team Jack #85. Hit the GoFundMe link and please give as much as you can for Philip. I have 7 amazing people along with me here. I have my sister Liz. I have Tosh Barry and Stephen Whyte, best friends with Philip. Then we have Larkin and Cramer, 2 phenomenal cyclists from Summerhill. We possibly have the youngest person that has ever done race around Ireland here in Johnathon Nagle. I could be corrected, but he is the youngest person here.
Tell me, Philip had an accident.
And, guys, he's interrupting me. We have Ciarán Clusker here. I think we're going to need a babysitting service on the road. So if you see the Team Jack has put up that they've lost someone, please come out and look for Ciarán, okay?
Explain to us, Philip had a problem.
Philip does sidecar racing. He's been doing it since he was about that high. And back in April they had a catastrophic accident. Life-changing injuries with Philip and his teammate Hugh. Philip was just, all he wanted to do was this race, so we are doing this race for Philip.
That's fantastic. And what's your funding spot? How can they donate?
It's the GoFundMe page, so it's GoFundMe Philip McNally, or you will find the link. We're going to keep posting the link on our Team Jack #85 page for the next few days.
And of course you can follow the progress of the team on the Race Around Ireland website. So you have 30 seconds to go now. Do you want to thank your crew?
Yes. We have the most amazing crew. They're just amazing. They came on board. We were very late coming to the race and they came on board lastminute.com and we love them to bits. Thank you.
Okay, you have 10 seconds to go now. A big round of applause. Team Jack 85.